Myro, thought it was kind of important to get a video out today. Kind of panicky out there in the market, which I totally get 100%. Definitely a pretty big pullback here from Bitcoin. Now, as far as Myro goes, we are at major support areas. This is a weekly chart. You can see here the numerous support zones. Okay. Over here, in fact, you have multiple. You have one here, closing candle. You have a closing candle up here on this support area. Now, support, there's one here, back over here. You have multiple areas of support. All right, which right now some of that's going to turn into resistance because we're on the lower end here. We're actually down towards the 8-cent support. All right, this one right through here. You have a closing candle here, and you have one here. All right, and it has bounced right off of that. I don't want to see it lose that. Okay, the next move down from there would be roughly 6.5 cents. All right, that's the next support. Then the one after that is down at 0.058. All right, that's these ones here, this one here, and this one here. All right, now it has grabbed that 8-cent. If we zoom in on this thing, and another thing, I think Bitcoin is going to have a retracement here and get a bounce up out of here. It at least back up towards. Let me pull this up for you. Up towards 65 to 66,000. Came down, hit that yellow box right here that we had. We put this on here Wednesday or Thursday. Ended up rolling over, coming down, hitting it right on support. This yellow line right through here, major support area. Okay, so should get a retracement here. All right, if we lose this wedge, something else is going on here with Bitcoin, but watching for a bounce back up. Now, Myro, I'm going to take just curious here, I'm going to take a quick measurement with a fib here. Let me pull down there, the 618. No, that just don't make sense. That's way too big there. I don't believe so anyway. An ABC down to 3 cents. I don't see that happening, especially not right now. All right, now let's zoom in on this thing. This is a weekly chart. The weekly RSI, look at this, still bullish, a 20 and an 18, oversold at the bottom here. Your daily, all right, way oversold, all zeros on the daily. All right, so we're looking for a major, pretty decent retracement here. Look at the 12-hour RSI has been like flatlined for a couple days now, probably 3 days. Been right on the bottom at all zeros. The 8-hour, look at that. This thing's due for a pretty good bounce. The 4 is on its way up, and then your 1 hour, and you also got bullish divergences. All right, on the 1 hour right here, get that on there for you. That's good to see. I figured this after a big pull down like this, you got a low here and then a higher low, then a price shove this low and a lower low. All right, that's on the 1 hour, probably on the 4 hour also. You zoom in on this. You got bullish divergence also in the 4 hour. All right, so watch it for a bounce here. Out on a 1 hour, you're probably gonna get a little bit of a pullback down here till, if me personally, if I was looking along this thing, I would have a Fibonacci on the bottom here, right down here. Go for your swing low. This is on the 1 hour, and this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just saying what personally I'm looking for here. All right, get this to the top here. There we go. Let's click that. Anyway, I would watch for 50% or 1.8 retracement. Let me zoom in the computer screen here in a little bit and zoom in on this move. All right, you're going to get a pull back down here a little bit for probably a wave 2 pullback. All right, put your Fibonacci on here. Go from your swing low to your swing high on the 1 hour. Look for a more likely a 618 retracement. Let's pull this down a little bit. Pull that up just a hair. I don't know why this lagging like that. That bothers me. But I'd watch back, anyway, 8.4 to 8.5. And I'd probably enter along there. I'll take a look at that when I get off here. But that's what I'd be looking for is 618, 50% to 618. Then you should more likely see a bounce, especially bullish divergence here. I'd be looking for 5 waves up. The wave 3 is the one you definitely don't want to miss. In fact, I'm going to get this over to Discord so it gets out immediately. Those of you know, this will be behind. I don't know how long, an hour. I don't know. You'll probably miss the move watching the video, but you in Discord, you will have this out to you. Yeah, you got the 15-minute here. This could push up before it pulls back. You got the 15 pulling down. Yeah, I would definitely watch for 618, 50% to 618 retracement, and then a bounce up out of here. All right, overall, we've come out on an 8-hour. Oh yeah, man, oh man, this thing should have a look at this. Look at this beat down this thing has had. I expected, quite honestly, I expected it to stop. Up in this zone up here. Bitcoin just pummeled everything, really. All right, yeah, this was a 618.702 off of this low over here. All right, so I would definitely keep your eye on Myro for some, I would think, a pretty good move starting today. You could, okay, I see maybe what's going on here. All right, I would be very cautious of this area. 382 retracement here. Once it got up here towards 11 cents, I would start watching this very, very closely. All right, I just seen something here. I don't know if it's going to play out or not. Let me show you. But, after a retracement here, this thing could have another push down. It looks like possibly. We'll have to see what happens here. All right, 1, 2, 3. If it gets rejected, if it comes back up here to 11 cents, it gets rejected. Watch this thing. All right, it's a 382. It could come up to 50 cents. So a wave 4 or 50%. I'm sorry. At 11.9. I'm not feeling real well today, guys. I apologize. At 11.9. If it gets rejected there, then you have another push down out of this thing. That very well could end up being a big ABC. We'll see what happens when we get back up here to 11 to 11.9. Gonna have to pay very, very close attention to this area and see what happens. All right, thank you so much, guys. In the meantime, this thing should get a retracement back up here and a bounce. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.